Time for a game I haven't played in a while here. Wherever has it gone? Alrighty, it has been some time since I've used this, and keep feeling like it's gonna fall out, which happened last time. So, let's get started. We're doing the Pong challenge. It's not even in. Stop putting it at the top. I can't reach. I can't reach. Oh my god. It's like falling out. This is terrible. It's so close. I don't know how to do commentary on this. I am just focusing really hard, and I can't do that one. Alright, come on. Why? Oh, it keeps falling out. I feel like I have to hold it in just to do anything. It was more fun last time. They had like Flappy Bird. Where's my Flappy Bird? Ah, thank you. I really gotta do this more often. That one's not even close. I feel like I'm going against an expert here. It's also like hurting my stomach, just like not used to these movements. Oh, come on, I was right there. That was not even gonna happen. I can't look away from it though. Ah! Okay, I'm getting better. Oh, you suck. Nice. Ah. Ah. Yes. I'm getting better. I didn't think I'd get better in the first game. It's good. I don't think I can go that high. I can. Am I winning, son? I'm doing it. So fast. I can't get up that fast. Ah. It's exhausting. I won. And I hit my daily goal. Yay. I don't know if I'm going to do this all day, but okay. Now let's keep going. Nice. Oh. Oh, you kind of suck. I can't get too distracted here. Oh, I went too high. Too powerful. I can't get to the ceiling though. Oh, I can. Kinda. Ooh. Oh. I overcompensated. Come on. I feel like I might be getting loose again. I'm winning. Let's keep going. I know I'm gonna get pretty tired quickly, but I'm getting better. Okay. I need to like learn to completely relax when I'm not playing though. Oh, that was close. I didn't have to do anything there. Close again. Damn. A game. I'm such a gamer. I don't know how to do fucking commentary on this. This is silly. I hit it! Why did it go behind me? Dang it. Okay, I can hit the ceiling. I can't do it quickly. I can't do it quickly. Yeah. Here we go. That was an effort. It's very hard to maintain. I can like do a quick No. I can get up there. I just can't do it fast. Why was it moving so fast? I lost. One more game. I'm gonna try to win. Okay. Complete relaxation. Save the muscles. No. Damn. Oh, okay, we both suck then. Oh, ooh. Okay. Hey. Okay. I think I'm competing against real people, so this person I actually have a chance against. Ooh. You're fast. How are you fast? How are you fast? I'm not fast. There we go. Okay. I got too weak. I got too cocky. It's fine. There we go. I need to get better at like relaxing in between. Like not doing anything. Okay. It's hard to talk during too. Ha! Okay. This isn't because I'm good. This is just because this person sucks. Okay. Damn. See, I'm not good. I can't get up quickly. But I can. Huh. There's a dog outside. Come on, you can do it. Okay, there you go. How are you fast? Ah. No, ah. It was too good. Too strong. No. Second place. Come on. How was I second place? I had more points. Goddamn. Okay. One more. One more until I win. Ah, I see, I see. I see, I see. Okay, I'm figuring it out. There's a second muscle. I see. I've cracked the code. I've connected the dots. It's the taint. Not good enough. Okay. Okay. I thought I cracked the code. There we go. You do, no, you can't. You can't do it. Okay. Too bad. All right, focus, focus, focus. This is the last game. Have more points. There we go. We can get, no, we can't. Okay. No, no. No, no, no. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Too eager. Too eager. Too. Come on, come on, come on. Ah. How was I second place? Okay. One more. It's getting very warm. I had to turn the AC off for sound. Completely relaxed. Is it gonna go my way? Okay. There we go. You can do it. You don't have to, but you can. Okay, okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. On, I can't get to the ceiling. Can do this. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. Do it. Okay. This might have to be my last game because I think Muscle's getting tired. She ain't done this in a long time. Alright. Alright. Well, my contraction quality was good at least. Done. So that was the Perifit exerciser and game controller. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this.